Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, we're gonna hold the power button, and from the boot options that will show up, ignore Google, you wanna select power off. Wait for the device to turn off, and once it does, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now give it like 5 seconds more after the screen actually turns off. There we go. So we're holding power button, volume up, and in a moment when you see ZTE logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And this redirects us to the recovery mode. As you can see, Android recovery barely visible. Sorry for that, this recovery mode is very dim for some reason, but in any case, you can navigate through the menu right here using volume buttons. So I'm gonna start using volume down to just scroll down. And obviously you want to select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected like it is for me with this blue line, click on the power button to confirm it and select yes. And there we go. At the bottom you can barely see, very last thing is cache wipe complete. And reboot system now will be selected automatically by default, so press power button once again. This will now reboot the device and get you back into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.